Hello everyone, today I'm going to share with you my new orange Sharara suit that I bought from Myntra. So let's see how it looks. This outfit is perfect for the upcoming festive season and it cost me around rupees 1549. I will give you the buying link of this product in the description box. So let's open it and see how it looks. This attire is not only stylish but also very comfortable. So see, this is the kurta. This is very comfortable and very stylish. The color is so good. I really loved it. Sharara is very nice. I would definitely give it a solid 10 on 10 rating. And in my opinion, it's worth every penny. So what do you think of the Sharara suit? I would love to hear your thoughts and any questions you might have in the comments. And if you will find the purchasing link located in the video description below. Happy shopping guys. Bye bye. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my video. Bye.